Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to create columns of text in a Word document. So you've got some content you want to present in a multi-column format. It's actually quite simple to do in Word. First, you need to open your document, then highlight the text you want to format into columns. We will highlight the text like this, drag the cursor. Then next, head over to the Layout tab at the top of your screen. You'll notice a Columns button. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear with various column layout options. You can choose the number of columns you want, whether it's 2, 3, or more. The text will automatically adjust to fit the columns you select. It's like creating a mini newspaper right in Word. So let's select 2 columns. And as you can see, it automatically created 2 columns in Word document. And that's it. You now know how to create columns of text in a Word document. It's a fantastic way to organize your content and add a professional touch to your documents. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create columns of text in a Word document. See you on my next video.